Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. So we've got here some deathless vehicles, and if I look back down here, you can see you've got Hymer, Carthago, Sunlight, EuraMobil is over there, and I'm going to take you to is here to Kabe, sorry, the A in Swedish with a thing on it is pronounced O. At least that's what I understand. I don't actually speak Swedish, so I don't know. These vehicles are very luxurious inside. Here, Kabe Classic, and this thing here, we're looking at 740 LGB. There's the price, 132,000 euros, but it's very high quality vehicle. We've got steps up inside. It's on a Fiat Ducato, but it's got a very particular layout. I mean, and this really, I think you have to like it to want it. It depends obviously what you're looking for. The Kabe range very much reminds me of a Swedish mountain hut. The fittings are really very well done. The quality of manufacture is great. Another thing is it's the winter capacity. Of course, if it's meant for Sweden, then it gets pretty nippy there in the winter. Storage, of course, as you'd expect, below the bed on either side. And this is not actually so much of a German layout as it is at the moment. These are obviously two singles, but if I pull this thing out here, and then this thing here comes out, and that will give you the possibility of making it into a German layout. Having said it was good quality, and then I've got to get that sort of out of spite, shows that was a bit loose. Fat fridge in here. Works, might look a bit old-fashioned, Thetford. And here behind me we have got the toilet. There we go, shower, non-slip or anti-slip surface, lots of space in here. And on the other side, also notice how high that is up. I mean, that's for those who have to sit and wash themselves, when they wash themselves. I think that's a very positive feature. Here is the three burners here. Three burners, large sink. Below we have the drawers, central locking on the drawers. We have here a wardrobe and large space here around the table. Unfortunately, the front seats don't match the rear bit. And I've got absolutely no style whatsoever, and I noticed it. So what is up for people who do know a bit about such things? Anyway, right, so I've tried to give you a quick overlook of this vehicle. I have done longer videos of it, and but anyway, good. Kabe Classic, 131,000 euros. Hope you found this interesting. So this is really a very much a vehicle, high-end vehicle. Kabe, although they've got a lot of vehicles in their range, they can't produce many of them. So anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now.